Hey guys, it's Rina. So this is the tutorial of Go Go by BTS. We went through the first chorus part, which is 8 sets of 8 counts in my K-pop workshop last Thursday. It was really fun. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So we're gonna dance together today. Alright, so first we are going to start with roll hands towards your chest like this. And open. When you open, just open your legs and the arms extended. You're gonna slightly face towards the right, and then we're gonna hip in between your arms and hip out. Now switch the direction and hip in and hip out. There you go. So hands roll and the step and hip in, out, switch in, out. There you go. So in the count, it's gonna be 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you're gonna point, make an index, and you're gonna point, and then you're gonna make a big half circle. Go through top and to the right. Here we go. And then again, we're gonna come back here. Hip in, out, switch, in, out, switch, in, out. But this time it's gonna be really fast. So in, out, switch, in, out. Just like this. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now circle, 6, 7, 8. Now 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. After this, step, step, and dub. Here we go. And then left, right. Alright, this is the first, second, 8 counts. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Step, step, dub, left, right. After that, we're gonna move to the right, move to the left. Yes, step to the right, step to the left. And then your arms, just relax and then swing side to side. Here we go. So to the right and to the left. You're gonna slightly face to the left and flip with your right arm up and then put your left hand on top of your right arm. Hop. And then hands down. And wiggle, wiggle. Yes. So you just pretty much cross your arms like this, but more smooth, smooth. And each time when you cross, bend your knees. Boom, boom. Okay. So flip, down, and wiggle, wiggle, and ha. Here we go. Keep your right arm up, make a fist on both of your hands, and then take your left arm down, and then take your left knee up. Boom. So flip, down, wiggle, wiggle, boom. Now hands up, switch, 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 flip. After boom, keep your right arm up, step to the left. Now step to the right and switch, 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 flip. Here we go. Now we are halfway. Let's start over. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, dub, step, step, to the right, to the flip, down, wiggle, wiggle, boom, to the left, hands up, now switch, 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 flip. After that, again, you're gonna step to the right, step to the left, but this time, you're gonna bend your elbows and your palms face into the ceiling, and you're gonna move your shoulders right and right, left and left, right and right, left and left, right and right, left and left. Now you're gonna again face to the left. This time you're gonna go wave. Yes, imagine that there's a bar on top of your chest, and you're just gonna pull it down. Here we go, one by one. So to the right, to the left, down, 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 and take your right leg up. Now we're gonna switch. Yes, you're gonna switch your legs, and then when you switch, you're gonna take both arms like this. Down, 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 switch. And again, lean forward, your hands next to your hip like this, and you're gonna take your chest up, 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 up. Yes, you're facing towards the left a little bit, but now you're gonna face back forward like this. And then you're gonna step, 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 step. Here we go. Now, hands up, up, flip. Now to the right, to the left, down, down, down. Take a right leg, switch, and chest, and shoulders, up, 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 step, 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 step. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last to 8 is gonna be step, 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 step. This one, right, left, your hip as well, right, left, and then take something off from your shoulders. Right, left, left. We're gonna go 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hands make a fist, hands next to your hip. And flip your hands like this, your right hand on top of your left arm, and then your palms face into the ceiling. And now flip it. So your right arm is underneath of your left arm, hands down, and open. Yes, so open, close, open. Yes, flip, flip, flip. Your body is gonna be right, left, right. There you go. Right, left, right. And after that, take your left leg forward and the shoulders up, 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 up. Yes, each time your body goes up, down, and each time your left heel touches the mat. Up, down, down. And one more thing, you're gonna add your right shoulder. So every time when you touch your left heel on the mat, take your right shoulders up, 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 up. And 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, punch. Now flip, flip, flip. And up, down, step, 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 step. Alright, so let's start from the second half. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step, step. Flip. Right, left. Boom. Flip, flip. Open, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's start over from the beginning. This arm circle. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the right, to the left, down, wiggle, wiggle, boom. Hands up, switch to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching and dancing with me. If you'd like to learn any K-pop dance choreography in person, I have a K-pop dance workshop every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. at J's Martial Arts Performance Academy in Mesa. So feel free to join us. It's really fun workshop and you can make lots of K-pop lovers and people who love dancing as well. This was actually the last K-pop tutorial video of this year, so Happy New Year guys, and see you guys in 2020. Bye!